Check out this 2006 Nissan Altima 25s. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include variable speed intermittent wipers, driver adjustable lumbar, intermittent wipers, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, power steering, and pass-through rear seat. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.